everyone, welcome to Sweet World. Here I'm going to show easy fondant decoration in whipping cream cake. This is an easy way to make cloud and star toppers with fondant. Take 1 kilogram of vanilla sponge and chocolate sponge cake. You should cut both sponges into 3 layers. Take a turntable and place 1 layer of vanilla cake on. Apply some sugar syrup. Next, apply a thin layer of whipping cream and spread some chocolate. Make a dab. Next, place chocolate sponge and repeat the process. After that, crumb coat the cake. After crumb coating, refrigerate the cake for some time. Now I am going to make cloud and star toppers using fondant. Take a large fondant and roll it. We can make clouds by using this cutter. Make different sizes of clouds. Next, we can make different sizes of stars with this star cutter. And dry the foil for some time. Next, cover the cake with beaten whipping cream. Here I am using the pink color into the whipping cream. Take a spatula and spread cream to all directions. Finally, decorate the cake with these fondant toppers. This is very simple decoration with fondant in whipping cream cake. So that is for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.